Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is HKL here. Alright, I think I have been a long time away from YouTube. Okay, today I'm going to share with you this one. I got this device from MIVAS. One of the, the principal actually saw me and passed it to me. Okay, this is the AVBAD. I'm just going to do an unboxing video for this one. Okay, but this is not a paid advertisement. Just want to explain again. Okay, basically this one is from China, ShenZhen Technologies. Alright, it's a smart touch baking device. Apparently this here is like a touch screen of a smartphone. Okay, comes with the device, atomizer cap, manual, whatever, packing box. Alright, so you must be legal smoking age to buy this or use this. Okay, so use actually check out the manual inside on how to use this if you buy this. Apparently this one is selling at what, 250 ringgit, less than 250 ringgit or 280 ringgit, I'm not sure, I can't remember, but it's damn difficult to tear open. Okay, sorry, no knife. I just reached East Malaysia, so yep, it's a bit difficult. Okay, yeah, I have this product for I think 3 days already. I just managed to sit down and do this unboxing. Okay, so how this work? Oh, there's a sliding box. Okay, there's a sliding box. Wow, tight, man. Okay, there's the box. Nice packaging, nice flat box, like the handphone. This is the device. See what you have inside. Just put this aside first. You have the manual, the books. Oh, okay. This is the cotton bud apparently with alcohol swabs already. Okay, I don't know what are these for. Okay, certificate of authenticity, and you have a micro USB cable, the old school one. Alright, so it's not going to be fast charging. I don't know how long it's going to charge. Apparently this here has, let me read the specs out a bit. This is a PC plus ceramic rod. Okay, 1200 milliamp battery. Working time is 4 minutes. Smoking puff is about 16 puff. You have temperature gear, lowest, middle, and highest. Apparently it's 1, 2, 3. The 3 is being the highest, 1 is being the lowest. It has vibration function. Preheating time is about 20 seconds and 17 sticks on this thing. 17 sticks. Alright, looks pretty nice, but it's look pretty girly. Apparently the principal told me that this one is more of a business style looking lah. To me it looks like a leaf. You know, the last time the Nokia 7610, the phone, it looks like that lah. Alright, so yeah, this is basically the device. Let me get my heat sticks ready. Alright, I have tested it already. I just want to test it one more time. Right, it looks pretty nice, but looking at it, I will give it a 7 out of 10 or 6 out of 10 for design. I don't really like this kind of design. I still prefer the slim type, like the multi. That is by multi. Alright, it's thicker than the multi, it's fatter than the multi. Of course, it's shorter than the multi lah. Alright, if you want to do a comparison on that, but this is a fingerprint magnet as well. If you see, it's like any handphone material, right? But this is plastic. It's not like the other Chinese brand, the QOQ, which I reviewed before. Alright, so yeah, to turn this on, apparently it's just like this. So that is turned on already. Then you have to press 3 times to turn it, to preheat it, and you turn it off is to swipe up, that you turn off, and you turn on is you swipe down again. You vibrate 1 time. How to do this? Never mind. Let me try again. I'll turn this on again. Okay, and then I go 1, 2, 3. 3 times. It will vibrate again. So now you can insert your heat stick. Okay, So according to the principle, level 1 is 310, level 2 is 320 degree, level 3 is 330 degree, and every time you take a path it will drop down by 5 degree and it will go back up to 330 degree again. Let's say if you go up to the highest, now I'm on the first level only, which is 310 degree. Pretty good smoke production or vapor production. The first taste is quite good. Well, it's not as hot as the stupid E-Force that I reviewed a few months back. This one is quite okay. That's the third puff. Yeah, the puff is quite nice. I'm on menthol. Apparently on menthol, you will have to put it up to the highest, which is number 3, to get the coolness even stronger. Alright, so but this one is just, I'm gonna test it again but I'm only testing on number 1. It's cool enough for me already. Oh, this is the 4th. Apparently it goes to what, 16 puff, so we will see. Yep, not a bad one. Yeah, the vapor production is pretty good. Let me try. This is only already on the past the 5th puff. Okay, one thing I can confirm, this is better than the QOQ performance, QOQ Honor or QOQ Smart, be it whichever one. But this is better than the QOQ performance in terms of the 6, 7, 8 puff. I don't feel that there's a loss of flavor. Yeah, the flavor is still there. Okay, so but when I tried on the demo unit, I don't know whether it's dirty or not. This one has auto cleaning function as well. Alright, this is the auto cleaning button. Later maybe you can try it out if you buy this unit. But this has auto cleaning function as well. Temperature setting is 123. This one is just a very simple temperature setting. And if you ask me, the puff quality is not bad. It is on par with I would say 3.0, but it's a bit stronger throat heat because I think the temperature is lesser than the 3.0. I don't know why, but 3.0 is 350. I think so. Yeah. So this one at number 1, the throat heat is pretty strong. It's pretty gao already. The taste is pretty nice. Yeah. So it vibrates already. I can still have another 2 more puff or 3 more puff. Yeah. After it vibrates, that taste, it's a bit bitter and a little bit burnt already. So yeah, the last few puff, I think. Yeah, the last few puff is burnt taste already. So not really to my expectation. I would rate this better than the QOQ. I think overall this would get a 7.5 out of 10 compared to the QOQ. 7.5 out of 10 for this device. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty equally burnt. The ceramic is quite thick. The hole it pokes through is quite thick. Alright, so let me just tear this up and see. Yep, it's pretty burnt, but yep. Again, the side here is not fully burnt, so probably because I'm on number 1. So you can try it at number 3, which I tried the other day. Okay, but the burnt taste come earlier. All right. So yeah, that's it. That's it for my review of the AVBAD. The next one I'm going to do an unboxing is this one. Catch me on the next video for unboxing of the Axis, which is the same company. But today I'm focusing on the AVBAD TT apparently. Alright, I just remember the AVBAD Leaf. I call it this one the AVBAD Leaf. I don't know whether this one, why Chinese they call it AVBAD. Alright, don't forget to click here for more videos and click here to subscribe. And of course there's a bell at the bottom. If you want to receive notifications of my new video, please do so. Alright, if not, I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, thanks. See you. Bye.